Alright, just wanted to do a quick update video on the Jetson. I have installed the new controller. I got it all wired up, got the cable extended all the way to the back to the battery back here. It's a 20 amp hour, 48 volt battery and 48 volt controller. And this has the control that I still need to actually mount. But here's how you turn it on. There's the screen. I've been working on the settings and getting everything right. I'm still having an issue with the speedometer working right, so I gotta figure that out. I do have the power working, the voltage meter. Got the odometer working now, and how long total time that you've ridden. This is your temperature of your controller, I think, and temperature of your motor. And this is your PAS level, which you can just adjust with this as you push up and down. Once I get the wire right for the headlight, I haven't done that yet, but if you push and hold the top button, it turns on the headlight right here. And that's it. So I'll put some footage of me riding it in here, but I just wanted to do a really quick video